Here we go again. The audience right here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So this is about the 100th time that I pick up this camera to become successful. I try and I fail, and then I quit, then I stop, and then I pick up the habit again, and then I do it all over again. I do a couple of videos and I stop again. And here I am trying to do this one more time. So I was thinking about this and I was like, man, you know what? I need to stop this because I always start and I never finish. I quit everything, but something does not let me be, and there's something I want to do, and I think I got to finally keep this going and be consistent with this YouTube. So hi, my name is Jonathan, or Jo, as everybody knows me, and I want to document my journey to become successful. I don't know what it is. I just know that I wanna, be financially free, build a different career. I'm tired of being broke. So I am a 38-year-old man that is still broke and is trying to find a purpose in life. So I'm creating this channel to document everything that I do, from going back to my weight loss journey to like trial and errors, because I started a photography hobby that it might turn into a business, but I'm doing events, and little by little trying to figure it out, what is my goals, my purpose, and do small goals to finally end and see what is my ultimate purpose. So come along with the ride. Stay tuned. Follow me for some more vlogs, because this is going to be a vlog channel. I'm going to do a vlog style. I shouldn't listen to the people, because I was like, oh, vlog is dead, and that's why maybe I didn't want to do that. And so I'm going to be like a vlog and documenting my journey to success. All right, peace.